Hello kids, welcome back to my channel Giggle Grow. Today we are diving into the world of spices, the magical ingredients that make our food so delicious and full of flavor. Let's start the flavorful adventure. Black pepper, black pepper. Cardamom, cardamom. Cloves, cloves. Cumin, cumin. Coriander, coriander. Turmeric, turmeric. Sesame seeds, sesame seeds. Fenugreek, fenugreek. Saffron, saffron. Asafoetida, asafoetida. Fennel, fennel. Bay leaf, bay leaf. Black cardamom, black cardamom. Carom seed, carom seed. Chia seeds, chia seeds. Red chili, red chili. Cinnamon, cinnamon. Curry leaves, curry leaves. Dry mango, dry mango. Flax seeds, flax seeds. Mint leaves, mint leaf. Mustard seeds, mustard seeds. Nutmeg, nutmeg. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.